dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And it's time to do some craft, okay? And it's very simple. Bring one newspaper, scissor and Fevicol. That's it. Okay, so let's start. First, take a newspaper and cut it into small pieces. See, like this. And now we will make like this rolls from it. See, start from any corner and just you have to fold it a little bit and then roll it. Okay. See, like this you have to prepare a stick from the newspaper. See, slowly and then roll. Okay, like this you have to prepare the roll. And the last portion you have to stick it with Fevicol or Fevistick. Okay, like this we need 6 sticks. Okay, and same size. So what you have to do, cut the stick in the same size and then we will do another work. Okay, now here I am cutting the stick and just measure it and same size make a cut of it. Okay, now we have totally 6 like this sticks. Now what we have to do, we have to arrange this in a shape of a house. See, roof, then one stick from this side, one stick from this side, and then 2 sticks on it. See, like this. Okay, so now we will stick this. First, we have to join these 2 sticks together. So, use Fevicol and join this 2 stick. थोड़ा सा इसको टाइम लगता है स्टिक होने में. Okay, so you have to hold it a little bit. Okay, and now use some glue and stick here one stick and then another from this side. See, then adjust it and now we have to stick this slipping stick one over here see like this. Okay, make adjustment and one from this side. It's very simple to prepare. Okay, you can use any color paper or if you don't have, then use a magazine paper or newspaper. See, and now you can decorate it with the help of some paper flowers or some color paper and with that flower. See, one I have with me here. I prepared one paper flower and you can decorate it. You can put some decorative material over here and a paper string. Stick a paper string and see, Our wall hanging is ready.